Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to view email password in Outlook. The first thing is, there is no straightforward way to view your password using Outlook, as it is an updated Microsoft security feature of securing your account. But I can show you some way you can try to view your Outlook password account. The first thing you can try is to open your browser, the one that you use to log in with your Microsoft email. Go in the options section and look for Password Manager. Once you open this, then here you get to search for Outlook. If it's present, you'll see it. And then once you see it, I'll give this as an example. And you get to view the password. Okay, you just click on here and you get to see it. Try that to see if it works. If it doesn't work, just open your Microsoft Outlook application. Go on the top icon of your profile. Then here, click on My Microsoft Account. And one thing I can advise for you to do is to go where it says Change Password. You have to change your password, and this time make sure you get to remember your password. Keep it on a safe place or use a password manager that is safe. You're done.